Hello, we're going to be going over the examples for extension with polynomials. So we have 5, 3x plus 1, plus 4, 8x minus 2. So what we're going to do first, we're going to apply distributive property. So 5 multiplied to 3x, and 5 multiplied to 1, 4 multiplied to the 8, and 4 multiplied to the minus 2. So 5 times 3, this will give us 15x plus 5 plus 4 times 8, which is 32x minus 8. So now we collect like terms, and we're going to have 15x plus 32x plus 5 minus 8. So with 15x plus 32x, we're going to get 47x minus 3. All right, for b, we're going to get the 7 to multiply, again, apply distributive properties, and then we'll get minus 2 multiplied in for 6x and 9. So again, we get 14x minus 21, and we have minus 12x and minus 18. So again, from here, we're going to collect the like terms. It's 14x minus 12x minus 21 minus 18. We're going to get 2x, and minus 21 minus 18 will actually give us minus 39. For c, we'll have 3n multiplied to 5n, 3n multiplied to minus 2, 2n multiplied to n, and then 2n multiplied to minus 7. So remember, we're going to use distributive property, and when we multiply exponents, we're going to be adding the exponents together. So we have 15n squared minus 6n plus 2n squared minus 14n. So from here, again, we're going to collect like terms. 15n squared plus 2n squared, and then we're going to get minus 6n minus 14n, and this will give us 17n squared minus 20n. For d, we'll have 4m multiplied to m squared to 6m and to minus 1. We'll have 8m multiplied to minus 2m squared multiplied to 3m, and then multiplied over to 2 to the 4. So from here, we're going to get 4m cubed plus 24m squared minus 4m minus 16m cubed minus 24m, and then plus 32. So again, we'll move all the like terms together. So this will be 4m cubed minus 16m cubed plus 24m squared. I realized I forgot to add a squared on the negative 24m, and I forgot to add m to the last 32 there. So it'll be 24m squared minus 24m squared, and we have minus 4m and plus 32m. So from here, we should get negative 12m cubed. These will cancel out as 24 minus 24. And then we'll have plus 28 m. All right, goes on to e. So again, 6 times the x, 6 times the minus 2 times the 4x, minus 2 times the 3, 5 times the 3x, and then multiply it to the minus 6. So for e, we're going to get 6x minus 12, and minus 8x minus 6, and we'll get 15x minus 30. And again, we're going to bring all the like terms together. So this is 6x minus 8x plus 15x minus 12 minus 6 and then minus 30. So again, as we calculate it, 6x minus 8x gives us negative 2x plus 15x actually gives us 13x. Minus 12 minus 6 gives us the minus 18, minus 30 gives us the minus 48. And then we move on to the next example, f. So again, we're going to be multiplying the 2n to the negative 9 minus 3 multiplied to n squared, 4n and the 2, the minus 5n multiplied to the 6, n and the 1. So here, we're going to get 2n squared minus 18n minus 3n squared minus 12n minus 6 minus 30n squared minus 5n. So again, we're going to bring all the like terms together. So we have 2n squared minus 3n squared minus 30n squared. We have minus 18n and minus 12n and minus 5. Actually, I just realized this is my minus 3 multiplied to minus 4n. This is actually not negative minus 12n, it's actually positive 12n, which makes this positive 12n. So I realized that when we were multiplying the minus 3 there to the minus 4n, the two negatives cancel out. So as we go on forward, we're also going to need to gather the other like term with minus 6 by itself. All right. So now, putting these together, 2 minus 3 gives us the negative 1, minus 30, negative 31, and squared. And then we're going to have minus 18n plus 12n. So this will actually give us to 6n. 6n minus 6n, and then minus 5n, this will give us a minus 11n of minus 6 at the end. All right, so for this example, we're going to multiply the minus 2 to 3x, minus 2 to 1, and then we're going to multiply the 5 to the 1 in the future, but not right now. We need to do the 4 to the 2x, and to the 8, and we'll hold off. So first, we're going to deal with inside the brackets first. So inside the brackets, we're going to leave the outside alone. So first things first, minus 2 multiplied to 3x gives you the minus 6x minus 2. And we have minus 6 at the end. Close this off for now. We have plus. So I'm just going to hold off on multiplying that for now. We'll deal with the other one first. So this will give us the 8x minus 32. Okay, so let's simplify the brackets first before we multiply anything else. So we have 6x minus 2 minus 6. We'll have minus 6x minus 8. And then close bracket. Here we're going to have 5. So again, we're going to simplify it first. So it'll be 8x minus 31. All right. So now we have minus 24x minus 32. And then we're going to multiply the 5 through. So this will be 40x minus 155. All right. So now we'll bring the like terms together. That's 40x minus 32 minus 155. So this should get us a 16x minus, so minus 32 minus 155 gives us to 187.